So here's the diagram that we're gonna solve. We're gonna start with the free body diagram. So here's the initial figure. We have a force here. We have another force that we're gonna call RA over here. A third force here, and the 45 degrees that are shown in the original diagram. Now we have a 2.5 kilonewton force that is placed at 60 degrees. And here we have a 4 kilonewton meter force that we're gonna call RB. Lastly, we have a force that is composed by points C and D that we're gonna call RC. Now that we have the free body diagram, we're gonna set the equilibrium equations that are required to solve the exercise. Note that the sum of the forces in X is gonna be equal to 0. The equation is gonna be the force RA times sine of 45 minus 2.5 cosine of 60 plus the force RC, and this all is gonna be equal to 0. Now establish that the sum of the forces in Y is gonna be equal to 0. The complete equation is gonna be the force RA cosine of 45 minus 2.5 times sine of 60 plus the force RB, and this sum is gonna be equal to 0. Lastly, we have the sum of the moments that's gonna be equal to 0. And the equation is gonna be 2.5 sine of 60 times 6 minus 2.5 cosine of 60 times 3 minus 4 kilonewton meter minus the force RA cosine of 45 times 10 plus the force RA sine of 45 times 3, and all of these gonna be equal to 0, and that's the whole exercise.